Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. Today's date is November 30th. I'm going to take an updated look at the euro versus US dollar as we look toward the close and look toward tomorrow's trading day. Looking at the euro versus US dollar, most of the price action today has been to the downside. Why? Because we did get CPI, Eurozone CPI come out, and it was weaker than expectations today. Now at 8:30, we did, through the U.S. data dump, we did get a rebound back to the upside here in the euro versus U.S. dollar, but that was short-lived. You can see the price spiked above the 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in this chart. And earlier today, the price moved below that level and used that level as resistance right here before moving down. Now, the significance of the 200-hour moving average is if you go back in time and you look at back here on November 13th, there was maybe 2 or 3 bars where the price moved below that moving average, and then right here moved down 1 bar below that 200-hour moving average. So getting and staying below that moving average is something new here for this pair. In fact, you have to go all the way back to this day right here, which is November 2nd, almost at the beginning of the calendar month, before the last time the price of the euro versus US dollar stayed any significant time period below that 200-hour moving average. So sellers are taking more control, and they have pushed the price down to a new low for the day, which was came in at 1.0882 so far. Now, at this low right here, we are also testing a swing area. The swing area is between the 1.0878 level and 1.0887 level, and it's defined by all these different swing lows through here, 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 here. We did move above it here, but that failed and then rotated to the downside and moved lower. When the price was finally able to get above the level through here, we did see more momentum to the upside, and then we moved back down to here, found support buyers before waffling above and below the area through here and reestablishing support here before moving to the upside. So it hasn't been since this day last week where the price returned back to that swing area between the 1.0878 and 87 level. Also near this level is the 38.2% retracement. That's of the last move to the upside from this low all the way up to this high right here. That 38.2 comes in at 1.08786, and that's going to be, this area is a key barometer for both buyers and sellers. If the price is able to hold support against that level, we'd look for a rotation back toward the 200-hour moving average and take our chances of what might happen at that 200-hour moving average. Do we get more sellers, or we move above and break above the 100-hour moving average? If that were the case, that would be a softer U.S. dollar. And thinking in terms of tomorrow's trade, we have the Fed's Powell speaking not once but twice before the Fed goes into a blackout period, and he would have to be more dovish in order for the price action to start to move back above these levels up here. So that would be the fundamental reason for that type of move. Conversely, if Powell is more hawkish, then we would expect to see this area be broken and start to move toward the 50% retracement of the same move higher, and also down toward the 200-day moving average. That's the green line in this chart. The last time the price traded below that 200-day moving average was back here on November 13th, and you can see that since that time the price has been comfortably above the 200-day moving average. So we know which way or what the key levels are for this currency pair. What we don't know is what might happen here at the 38.2% retracement, nor what Fed Chair Powell might say tomorrow. Does he go along with Waller and be a little bit more dovish in his comments, or is he more hawkish in his comments and we get a move back to the upside, similar to what Fed's Barkin and maybe Fed's Bostic talked about this morning? So that's the look of the euro versus US dollar as we head into the close, as we head into the new trading day. Watching that 38.2% retracement to be our barometer for either more bullish or more bearish for this currency pair. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.